Oh, hi there, and greetings from Denmark again. This is going to be the second try to open or remove the cork with the Victorinox here combi tool. Not using this corkscrew, but I saw this combo tool. I saw that on YouTube. Somebody did it with a knife and other things, and I want to see if I can make it happen. So put this away for a moment, and let's see. I'm gonna This is for Christmas Eve. Faustino Gran Reserva. Very nice. I'll move this. Get this out of the way, and take this part. This is actually very good to remove the foil. So, last time I think the angle was too shallow because I pushed through the side. So this time I'm gonna try to just ease it down in the middle. I hope you can see that. I want this to work. So, and now I'm going to do this sideways and then slowly. Maybe it must go further down. Whoops! Now it's loose. Let's see if we can pull it up. No. I'm destroying the cork. I can't get it to work. So this one, you can see it's all ready. So let's try this again. That worked last time. Maybe it works again. I'm gonna stand up. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. So I can't get it to work. That was my second try, and maybe it would work better with where is it? Used a knife blade. Huh. Well, shall we give it a try? I have one more. Oh, I have several more, but let's try the blade. So. Okay. Yeah, this worked very well. Jesus. Well. Shall I really? Yeah, okay. Shit. Okay, here we go. Come on, loosen up. No, it is not. No, come on, Jesus. Oh, I have to be careful because I have sharpened this, and this is razor sharp. Let's see if it works now with the blade. Yeah, maybe. Oh, it's coming slowly. Maybe we do so. I think it is. Oh, shit. Well, I'm gonna destroy this. This is probably not the best cork to use because they are fairly long. So, well, didn't work. Well, we're gonna use this again, but this already destroyed the cork, and see if it can pull it out. Oh, it's wait. Oh shit. Oh, no problem. So I can't get this with a knife blade or with some other tool. I can't get it to work, but it actually didn't. That doesn't matter because I have the corkscrew on my knife. So by the way, this is the compact. It's a very nice one. So that was that, and yeah, Merry Christmas, and take care. Bye.